How to write Zara review. Writing effective Zara review helps other shopper navigate inconsistent size and quality, as an official Zara website and app currently lack a direct built-in product review section. So, if you go to the Zara app and look for any sort of item, you will find no such option as review. So this particular feature has not yet been enabled in the Zara app. So the review option is not available. However, in other apps or in other online services, you will be able to review when you have received a product, and you will be able to see a link or some sort of notification, review a product, something like that. You could also upload a photo, you could also write a review on what sort of product quality, all that. And this is how you are supposed to do it. But as for Zara, there is no such option. You could also go to websites like zarareview.com that might have been created specifically to address a lack of review on an official site, allowing you to search by product code or URL to add product specific feedback as well. So you could try using a third party app as well. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.